Hello everyone. Welcome in self-transformation series of today, that is 16th of July 2021. Yes, my dear friends, this self-transformation series for all the new viewers and listeners is so simple that you can easily imbibe it at the very moment you decided to listen to it and to listen it till the end. Yes, my dear friends, in this series the process is really simple. It's at a grassroots level, and the change which you will observe will be tremendous. Today, the topic which we have selected in the series is to become karmatit. Although this word is of Hindi, but we are very aware of this word. First of all, we will be listening to the meaning and the depth of this karmatit. Next, why we need to become a karmatit. And once you will come to know the benefits of karmatit, and then if you will imbibe or if you will think and if you will use it in your day-to-day process, I think the things will be better. So without wasting much of your time, I would like to explain you the word what is karmatit. The word karmatit relates that whatever we are doing is known as a karma. Suppose I am talking to you and you are listening also, that is also a part of a karma. So each and every fraction of things which we are doing is related to our karmas. As we all know, we have three types of karma, that is sanchit karma, prarabdha karma and kriyaman karmas. These three karmas are related to us from the day we are born. Sanchit karmas are the karmas of our past which we carry forward and take it in this birth. Then prarabdha karma is the karma which I am doing or making it right now. Or like right now you're listening to it, this is your prarabdha karma. You are listening, and when you do that, it becomes your kriyaman karma. Suppose from your birth you have a habit of happiness, that you have a nature of let go. That is your nature by birth. Nobody has trained you, but you have this habit of let go. So that is your sanchit karma. And then in your prarabdha, you continue with that karam, that I'm not going to change my habit, and you are still the same. That becomes your kriyaman karma. So first thing is karma are the things, whatever we are listening, doing, acting, thinking, whatever, each and every act of minute seconds also is included in karma. So what is this karmatit state? Karmatit, so now before we start to karmatit state, it is very much clear in your mind. So how important is today's topic? Because we're talking about that point, we're talking about that situation where we are involved throughout the day. That is karma, and karmatit is related to that. So now in karmatit, the thing is that whatever we are doing, how we have to do it so that the things become easy and we become light and we have that feeling of freeness and freedom in our thoughts, words and action. So first of all, if you see your karmas are attached to what all things we have to see. Or your karma, if they are attached, then they are bondage. Means the other way out is, wherever we have attachment, we have bondages. Suppose I love someone, I am attached to that person, so whatever the pain the person is going to give me, I accept it. If the person is not ready to listen to me, if the person is not thinking the way I want him, whatever is your way of attachment to that thing or person, that become bondages. And when there is bondages, you are not free, and when you are not free mentally or with body consciousness also, so you won't be able to be happy. So the main thing is, if to become a karmatit stage, to attain that stage, and once we attain that stage, the things become lighter, the situation, the problems will be the same, but I have a new vision and mission to do and move ahead on that path. So I can relate before that karmatit, I can relate you with few examples. You will easily come to know that why I have to become a karmatit. So if we take an example of any great saints, you can take Guru Nanak Dev Ji, or you can take Mother Teresa, or Jesus Christ, or even Abdul Kalam, any great personality, as Swami Vivekanand, any great personality whom you are influenced with, you will see that they were all in karmatit state. Means they do the karam, but they are not attached to those karmas. That is karmatit. Now you must be wondering, why should I do it? Why I want to be a karmatit stage person? I am happy with it and I cannot do it. It's not possible. They were the great people, but I am not. These are all myth. They were like us only, but the day they have decided, they have changed their life, and today they have been remembered for that only. So today is a day when you have this opportunity to change your old myths, to come out of your old shell and move to the new path. And the path is really, really simple. That is to free yourself from all attraction and bondages. And here comes what all attractions we have. Attraction of our body, our own body, attraction of the relationship, attraction and bondages of the material comforts, possessions, and so many other things. So how to come out of it? It's also the very big question. Yes, I want to be a karmatit, but how? The process is really, really simple. I will narrate you with 2 examples. Have you ever seen the traffic police person? The traffic police person is surrounded by so many cars, but his duty is to just bypass them. And he is managing so many cars of so much worth of it, so expensive one, and he is managing it. But that car doesn't belong to that person. Same way, I will narrate you with an example of a banker. A banker is there in the bank, and that bank person or a manager is managing the accounts of so many people, and so much of money inside that bank is there. But he's just the trustee, and he is responsible for that money, but the money doesn't belong to him. Yes, here comes the answer of karmatit. Everything what we possess, my own body, my relationship, my work, my possession, my material things are being given to me. They belong to me, but I should not be attached to it. So you have to be like a trustee. A trustee is the one who have given you the task to do it, like the manager is managing the bank as a trustee, but the money doesn't belong to him. This is the state where all the attachments and bondages are over. If the bank manager is attached to the money, he cannot go home. He will think that my money is not safe. The bank can be robbed by someone. And so, if there is attachment, he cannot do his task or his job. Same way, my dear friends, we have to live a life of that karmatit, wherein we are doing all our duties towards ourselves, our relationship, our material comforts, our possession, but not in an attached way, but in a very, very free way, that is karmatit way. So what you have to do is, you have to act like a trustee. So simple process I will explain you here. This body has been given to me as a gift from God. I have to keep it fit, so I have to do all my exercises, my breathing techniques, my yoga, my aerobics, because it is a gift of God to me. Don't take it for granted that it is me. No, it has been given to you. It's your duty to preserve it properly and give it back to Him safely. Okay, and in the same way. So it's a task to do that. So you are a trustee of this body also. Same with the relationship. From the day you have born, you were not aware that these relationships will be mine. It has been gifted to you as your karma. So, enjoy the relationship as a trustee. Whatever is your role, as a mother, as a father, as a friend, as a wife, as a child, whatever is your role, do your best. But don't be attached to the roles of others, that they should follow your role. No. You do your part, they will do their part. Like the banker do the part of the banking, and the traffic police one is doing the part of the trafficking, but they are not involved in any other's process. Keep this in mind. Same way is in possession. Whatever you have is been gift as per your karma. So enjoy it. Don't have that ego with it. Don't think that, okay, I am the one who deserve it, only the things. No. Keep yourself free from your all the vices and do it as a trustee. That this has been given to me, this possession, this seat, this position, this all materialist thing has been given to me, which is as per the Gita Gyan also. Today it's mine and tomorrow it will be for someone else. So before that only, why not we learn this lesson? So in the same way, when we follow all these things, all these technique, my dear friends, you will live a very, very free life. The life which will be full of love and cooperation, where you will experience the power of your inner being, your inner conscious, which has been lost in today's time. So my dear friends, enjoy the life in a very, very different way. Keep doing work on yourself. Keep imbibing the thoughts and just free yourself from all the bondages and attraction by staying alive as a karmatit person. So see you tomorrow with the new thought. Till then, be in karmatit. I am also doing my task as a karmatit person. I am not attached to this series, whether the people are going to listen to it or whether the people are going to imbibe to it or people are going to comment on it or people are going to see the description box. No. Just do your part and leave it. And don't even think how many views you are getting, how many subscriptions you are getting. Free yourself from all the bondages. And then you will see this life will be a very, very free and a very, very happy life to live in. So enjoy this life. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Till then, be in Karmatit stage.